Yeah, no, it's been really interesting to us just to be taken out and have Tim see it, and we're curious to see how Daniel will feel as well.
I'd like to make a quick statement. Relax. Just real quick. I'll be real fast.
This is Tim.
And but you know, when they contacted me initially, I had all my archival footage and stash points because I didn't want the feds or anybody else contacting them. So I had to trust these people with this footage, and I had to be able to trust them. And so it took just a couple of weeks talking with these two cats and sort of understanding what they were trying to do, that I was willing to work with them. And it's been 5 years, and it's been a great experience for me. And they're very honorable folks, and they're very genuine. And I think this film will go over really well in the Eugene area, where a lot of these people are from. And from my own, view, I think it's a film I'm falling in love with. So good job.
Thanks, Tim. Thanks again, everybody, for coming. We really appreciate it.